What's the latest craze in the field of technology? It has been speculated that Samsung is getting ready to release its next generation of foldable phones with some significant enhancements to several areas, including the all-important hinge mechanism. That's supposedly what the droplet can provide. This innovative new approach to the foldable phone's construction makes it more robust than ever before, making sure you have a reliable tool for a long time to come. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be released soon, so let's investigate some of the rumors and suspicions around it. Please see this video through to the finish. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be the slimmest model yet. According to previous reports, the company is willing to spend a considerable amount of money on developing a new hinge mechanism that will allow the Z Fold 5 to close perfectly flat. This rumor has also been confirmed by Ice Universe on the Chinese social media network Weibo. This means that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will indeed feature this innovative droplet hinge mechanism, giving users a seamless and immersive viewing experience. The same source also revealed that the Z Fold 5's thickness when folded shut will be around 13 mm, which is thinner than the current Galaxy Z Fold 4. That measures approximately 15.8 mm near the hinge. So the new model will not only look sleeker but also be more comfortable to hold and carry around. Teardrop hinge and ipsate. Samsung is expected to use the teardrop hinge design for its next Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 devices. Similar designs have already been adopted by others, like Xiaomi and Huawei for their foldable phones. The Galaxy Z45 prototype with a teardrop hinge was sighted at CES 2023 last month. This prototype was noticeably thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which has a U-shaped hinge and seemed to be almost half as thick. Probably for this reason Samsung chose not to include the S Pen slot on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. If this rumor is true, it is clear that the company's priority is to make their foldable phones smaller by 2023. In order to make them more practical and suitable for daily use. As, if this wasn't enough, it is said that the forthcoming foldable would be waterproof with an IPX8 grade, as opposed to the existing IPX7 rating. A gadget with an IPX7 rating can continue to function normally after being immersed in fresh water for up to 30 minutes at a depth of 1 meter. To put these numbers in perspective, the IPX8 rating is based on testing scenarios, where the gadget is immersed for up to 30 minutes in fresh water up to a depth of 3 meters. As time goes by, anticipation is building for the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Let us know what you think. Will Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 had this newest and latest design and technology? Tell us in the comments section whether Samsung panels will be used in the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, and whether they will be manufactured in India. Earlier, there were rumors that Samsung may begin purchasing flexible panels from China's Bo, which also provides other manufacturers with foldable panels. However, with Samsung's portfolio, that doesn't appear to be happening just yet. Instead, Samsung will be making them itself. Ross Young of the DSCC has also emphasized that Samsung will produce the foldable display panels for the new gadgets and will move the manufacturing to India. Of course, as the information has not been formally validated, it is necessary to treat these rumors with caution. We'll have to wait for more incredible sources to reveal the true specifications of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, but the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 look to be highly anticipated devices that might push the limits of smartphone design and performance even further. So, we eagerly anticipate Samsung's upcoming offerings. Galaxy Z Fold 5 unveiling from Samsung is predicted for August or September 2023. In the meantime, make sure you don't miss a thing by subscribing to our channel and receiving all the newest updates as they become available.